Poplar Rd, Parkville. There is no plan of getting this crossing removed at the moment. So hopefully it's here for the future. And yeah, there's nothing really too intriguing about this crossing. I kind of like the fences and the baluster. It just feels like a really chill crossing. Yeah, nothing really too different about this one that sticks out from others. But yeah, I mean it does have the infamous tramway crossing sign, but that's about it really. Let's get into a crossing tour, shall we? Over here on the southern side, we have an unmarked base, black with white writing, stop on red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse Incandescents on a McK&H Crossarm, 2-track sign, XL Crossbuck, and a pole cap. Over here is also an unmarked base, an unmarked gate mechanism, Wishbone Gate with 3 Artcraft gate lights, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on a McK&H Crossarm, and a general signal depot. That's everything from this side. So here on this northern side of the crossing, we have a McK&H crossing base, black with white writing, stop and signal sign, 2 Westinghouse Incandescents on a McK&H crossarm, 2-track sign, XL Crossbuck and a pole cap. Over here on this crossing, we have a McK&H crossing base, Westinghouse gate mechanism, Wishbone Gate, 3 Artcraft gate lights, probably 2 Westinghouse Incandescents on a McK&H crossarm, and then we have a general signal depot. That's all for this northern side. Oh, we also have this this pole, no base, just red with white writing, stop when lights are flashing sign, and then on this one we have a white with black writing, cyclist dismount sign. That's all. Oh, and a pole cap. Behind the northern side of the crossing, we have the PTV sign for Royal Park Station. And then over there we have the infamous Tramway crossing sign, 2 tracks giveaway sign, and oh, here comes one. And yeah, that's all for this side. The bulb on the far left has sadly busted. Looks like it.